Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. So this video is being shot from the front camera of the Redmi K20 Pro. The whole motive of this video is to tell you guys how you can use an external microphone on the Redmi K20 Pro device. So if you're a mobile YouTuber and if you're planning to buy a Redmi K20 Pro device just to make YouTube videos, one thing that you guys have to very much know is that this smartphone's default camera application does not support external microphone, which is still a shame on Xiaomi's part because they've been releasing smartphones from such a long time and they have still not addressed this major issue. And in this clip, I am just currently shooting from the stock camera application from the selfie camera, and throughout the course of this video I'll be attaching the external microphone and I'll be giving you guys a sample of that video as well. So guys, as you can see, this is the Redmi K20 Pro smartphone on this Joby Gorilla Pod, and also I have this external microphone which is the Boya BY-M1 which is commonly used by most of the YouTubers. So the first thing what we have to be doing here is we have to go ahead and install an application called the Gcam. So there are two important steps in this process, guys. Either we can use the Gcam or you can easily use the open camera application, which is very common. So what I'm doing is I'll be giving you guys the sample of how you can connect the external microphone both on the Gcam as well as on the open camera application. As you can see, I've also installed the open camera on my smartphone and I also have this G camera on my smartphone. So the first thing is on this Boya BY-M1 external microphone, what we have to do is there is a setting that is present in the controller where we have to actually switch this microphone off. So if this Boya BY-M1 is off, then you can easily connect it to your smartphone. So second step is we have to actually plug in the microphone itself. Let's go ahead and open the Gcam. So as you can see, the Gcam is successfully opened, guys. Once the Gcam is opened, just go to this video tab. As you can see, there is this video tab. Just go to the video tab, and once you go to the video tab, on the left top corner of the screen you can see that microphone symbol. So just click on that microphone symbol. You can see two options that has been displayed. One is use phone's mic, second is use external microphone. So obviously we have to set the option use external microphone. Hey guys, this is the sample shot of the video shot on the Redmi K20 Pro's front camera by attaching the external microphone. As you can see, the external microphone has been attached onto the smartphone and it is successfully working. Just let me know the quality of the sound that you will get from the Redmi K20 Pro when we are attaching the external microphone. So it is a very good solution, guys. You can directly use Gcam. But one thing is, when you're using Gcam on the front camera, the resolution will be brought down to just 5 megapixels. So if you are planning to shoot some vlog style videos and using Gcam, it might be a problem for resolution, for post processing or color correction. You'll be actually losing some pixels because of the low resolution. So just let me know the sound quality, guys. So guys, this is the sample shot of the video from the Redmi K20 Pro using the external microphone from the rear facing camera, guys. If you do not want to use the Gcam application, I always suggest you to install this application called Open Camera. As you can see, this is the Open Camera application, guys, and this camera application is also very good. It is an open source software and free of cost, available from the Google Play Store. You can directly install it and use on your smartphone. So just I'll plug the external microphone and I'll show you guys what are the settings that you need to do, and also I'll be showing you guys the camera samples taken on the Redmi K20 Pro using the Open Camera application by plugging in the external microphone. The first thing that you have to do is to go to the settings of the Open Camera application. When you go to the settings of the Open Camera application, just go to this video settings. When we go to the video settings, guys, the thing that you have to do is just scroll down, and when we scroll down, there is an option called audio source. As you can see, there is an option called audio source. Just click on the audio sourse, and the second option is external mic if present. So that is the option that we have to select, guys. So it will be default, it will be selected to camcorder by default, but you have to select it, this one, external mic if present. When you have selected the external mic if present option, what happens is audio for the video recording will be taken from the external microphone. So guys, this is the quality of the video from the front camera of the Redmi K20 Pro smartphone when external microphone is plugged in and when I'm using the Open Camera application. So guys, that was it for this video about how to use an external microphone on the Redmi K20 Pro device. So Redmi K20 Pro is a very good flagship device and it's, I think, the best value for money in 2019. 2019. Just let me know your thoughts about this device and as well as the process that we explained in this video. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you have still not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you have to hit that subscribe button, as we are your source for all the latest updates, tips, tricks, softwares, applications, and a lot of things in diverse and in detail related to technology. Thank you for watching, guys.